na yakọ we ansa pagya da Roma na me saka video yi na de tie ne say omo wia ne sa they say we a club bia now ben hwa say clubs no kra enfa na ben GPL clubs no why na ben Essipong media also on it
some tests so bank
some tests so omo de
tests we on be far ba na asem
Baseke Holy Stars and they say no
Go Stars
but yanko
the pitch is ready to host league matches. It's ready. It's very ready. We only need some few things in terms of auxiliary facilities to be able to host matches. But for the pitch itself, all we need to do is to just do the various demarcation, like in a form of pitch preparation, and then do the lines, and that will be it. So even today, we can just do that, clear the pitch, mow it, and then do the grounds work. Then we can have a match on it.
Enti Essipong Stadium no, and Echegu no. As I said, come here, send kakra, a fan into my pefraba. Kakra, fan into Ben is there be a pitch in the day, Mamma Casam Joe. Say, planted seeds, no, a guswa. They are pitching and Casanas as an ABI and will be over. And a groundsman, no, and there's Omututunina because they say, look to me, say, Omudi sees the guso, meaning say Bermuda, dia, and Omudi guso. And they say no abanti akaso mu betwa omu twawi a no omu de roller na faso na fe batie mo mabaso nipa de we ade osai papa ba akono wo ho no Professor Chumesi wo ho no ko mutimi ye we nkakran kakrase a ka ama meduru sei
omoto aso
we say no problem ni seat no and they say de abubu no omo se wa man say de wo akudi ka ko hwe yeah they say no kon say no and it aso bank kakran kakra.
See, I can see that somebody is feeding Ghana football. And it's a boss, and it's a Bonabaso or Yejuma. Okay. C'est pas qui est ici, at least on you but at least me go in is a man win there. As a young funka or Yejuma.
Okay.
Your man long time obey Juma.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
A sportsman, only what is take to do everything. Until when you're better person than him now, so obey.
Yes.
Okay.
Until honorable Yanshe, also, and you may be say, and I am a person. Near the Babani about Trani, Cassi, near Cassi. Say a Jumano, we are Yen and I, the Nibu, you have a boabaso. And said a 1 man a cano. Omunion drew baby, but pitching drew this condition, you know. Actually, say with time, any omunya the necessary funding now. Ombeti mi aye adwuma no.
Yes ka.
Yes, ombeti my adwuma.
I feel like okoji sa 3 million na me jatum so e fama no.
Okoji 3 million.
Seka ba ku okoji $3 million na ko ba na say that be omboa. But he said okoji $3 million na me ka say fama no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nti Essipong ene ye hwe no.
Kovi.
Honorable.
The can ye more the current government abaso. Because minimum you nyina ye aware. Say your former finance minister Kujina Mrashe Bedwam catch the Ghana fo nyina say baby at stadium na duru say 90%. But you could try the current state na yes 90% na confidence is say
na 5% kwa munye.
Na 5% kwa munye. Chaban iba o my roofing. Fine. Pitch no say o madua. Ka say ye be adwuma wo ho na fi agina ne na so ne ye twa. Now the aka adwuma aka seat no say you be seat ne they are saying you be replace. Then also I don't know how the condition of the dressing room etie. And also a key factor here pa. And I was say you may need to cut that out ne ho. And press center ne and you may be bria a bit me ama sa stadium we kofi adu a standard impo calf begia tum. Na de ba kwa mbese me ka che DG National Sports Authority penny ni say and rather me say minister say or call taking who are kunya companies bia omo ebe partner o se bibisa na ya hwero omo asiesie stadium ahodon Kofi Emrantie ne maba we pa adwuma ye e wo kuro wi mu ukota krade a boys gu ha omo ni adwuma ye. So if we are able to rebuild the stadium and I say yeah refurbish na be ye kama Kofi ye pesi ye hu say stadium no anopa bia obi ejina a section of the stands Kofi or this sabi cleaner insuo ye di clean enioma hu spray ade hu no opopa ho anopa bia o e wo si hu say anopa bia obi kokopra ho e wo si hu say pitch no ye due sprinklet e wo so anopa no bi akwabra na kobie no ebu aguso a ye mobo kro muso awia no akọ anwumre no aye owia watro ne din so apon adwuma ye mfa manfo se yensa na stadium ne ho a Kofi ebe ewen mame 3 months 6 months ye be ko na san say because Ghana ye weather condition nye enye static esesa based on how me fan say enedi wo August September October nsuo beto November December ope be start January February March na ayebasa so e wasi enya nkrofo because suto breba pitch ne be yefe ba pitch ne yefa enwura foforo befu o me esi enya obi ade bia na green grass be na so flowers green grass and so flowers
but I'm gonna make us say we no menye sure say we need a pitch na so
ayi ademe enwura green and by the na afifi one say enwura green
one thing say o say pitch no land
na
enwura wo so dada
say obadua no
ente dey we yi no afim because pitch bi as
papa ye ojira ho ka say o ye na say papa ho
yes on
enti ka bari sama kan say go achi mu workers estate workers no o mu jira ho kita sa song and they walk for
every skinny ho nti so me wo ye wi ahwan obetua
na enkwala omo ye national service kura so omo ka tua ma so omo ye
wsk
ye betua ba no ko betua
go for be libra
contractors cry
say e ko park so go tutu twetan ne hwan na wo wi an kan say ye betua ne ka later
Kofi enya si aban do kan kwa de betua
ye nya botre kakra ma wo mo
o ma ya de o min ka so omo nya de o ma ya de ni nim ni ne aduri de but afutuo ne se Kofi see ye timi be ye green ni wie ni ye tekoda de a and the same old story okay minimum ye no tia Kofi da ben wakwa Accra Sports Stadium kura ko hu say obi kita desta ene se bi nsuo kro de Pupa City ho Kofi bisa o da ya o da mu kura no sentin tan ne ade wa mpramu ni enwoma bi ni ade a Kofi eda na be say enti facility de esi ho na exposed to weather condition na say they every day yanya nipa omo besiesie ho de a I believe say MY nti NSC no omo dwen say omo be refurbish stadium ni nyina no omo fan show omo dream they should partner with a youth authority no omo ntimi recruit youth no omo nya adwuma
omo for me say adwuma
omo nya adwuma ne ntwom ka omo nya adwuma seb yo de fa ne Kofi Western region rubber plantation ho bauxite ho manganese ho takwada manfo to gold de ho sa companies ne kra no yen kan chrom se yesre mo yen chro letters in fan komo ya fa nipa 100 a omo ye adwuma o Essipong every day
okay
mo de ebosumi bia so a mo sort ye sensen ne fa entwom ka enye enu abi no ye bibi o ha ye nyina betumi aye de aboa na ya anye ne sa de Kofi ebe story ne be kwa basa
all right me da ask say ba him a odi kakra be to gyan mpese ye ko ne ne Cote d'Ivoire.
Oh, okay. Kofi, I believe say a very huge one at the Ghana because if it is a stadium way back in 2008, Mampeni that His Excellency President Kufuor inaugurated and clearly now in study who are there that's na say to me as serving a function of say to me a see a kind of honor looking at the capacity which is 20,000 na in Musanka to me Enya so far so it's not 20,000 40. No, I know say Accra Sports Stadium and
Esther wo de kasa ne hwe
and na ye hwe nim say betumi use ni ye na yenya so emfa so until say ye ja ema enwe ne sensa na enti say empanifo ehum say was say sanko near kusiesie dia clearly I believe say a good one at the maye na ye hope said ye o ma sha say o mo ye omboto akoso ni ewie because ye hu be pen ye sha say ye say ye renovation ye hu ya pese ye say jana for the progress that were made and
Essipong 20,000
20,000 that's what I know. One man is so confusing me be and see, you say once I see renovations need a better akoso na because almost we sat here to say the last time say you were other vision of see a stadia in other regions or munibidia and then the existing ones now any make us say the right state to me see so a kind ama a calf approve your for international tournaments no and as matches no. Was see you to me say and sana we can think of see at the forefront. So clearly if we are innovating we are so hopeful and we bomb pie say baby now so all the other stadia any good state to me see account honors renovations but also honum na to me who say anya bias say if you are looking for a CAF approved stadium and conquer only a Crossport Stadium as we are witnessing at the moment.
Okay, yantuaso emfa emfree ha na Angel Rock mixture and so a draw Dr. Tin Ediaba
a draw